So here's an update on Comey. His legs are actually quite strong, but he can only run backwards. He ran out of his coop this morning backwards and banged into the corner of the heater. So he's still happy and he's eating and he's chirping at the birds. So my husband's working on a chicken walker. You wanna tell me what you're doing here?
First of all, this is a base. Just have some spruce, and is 1.5 inches wide, screwed in the 4 corners. We took some measurements of Comey, and he has like 16 inches of room here when he only measures I think about 12 inches long. So this should give him plenty of room. And on the bottom, I'm going to be drilling some holes here. I'm going to be putting casters in here, and I'm going to be building up a frame. And yeah, so I'll show you what the other pieces are going to look like.
He's been eating a lot of wild strawberries. And scrambled egg, or sorry, it's soft-boiled egg actually. But once he gets at it, it looks like scrambled egg. You can see he's alert and he doesn't seem to be in any kind of pain, but it's so strange. I pick him up and his legs, he can kick them around and he got lots of strength in them, but he can only walk backwards now. So he scurries backwards till he finds a corner that he falls into like this, and then he lies down. It's extremely puzzling. So we're going to work on your little walker. Hey, we're going to work on your walker. Flies are annoying. And we have lots of these delicious wild strawberries, which he likes. Is it good? Are you going to save me, Annie? Huh? No. You silly bird. Who's flying over? That little squeal is something overhead. If another bird flies over, he'll make that little call to say something flew overhead. So he's still doing all of his talking and making all of his normal noises. The reason we put him in this tractor is there's a lot of neighboring cats that roam around out here, and that keeps him safer from the cats, as well as right now he needs something to stabilize him here in the corner. Do you want more strawberries? It's those birdies saying, Birdie's saying, ant.
So these are the casters that I installed. They're just regular household furniture casters. I drilled a hole that was slightly smaller than the shaft of the caster, and I pushed them up through and I tapped them in solidly with a mallet. So they're in there pretty solid. And just to show you how maneuverable they are, it's quite easy to maneuver. So Comey should be able to move around.
Yeah. I heard you over here chuckling by yourself. What'd you find? Did you find something good? Huh? You like the sunshine on your old comb? The big old comb of yours. Yeah. Some hot day. Some hot day. Flies. Them old flies.
So here we have the mock-up. Got the four casters on. I have the uprights screwed onto the base, and I've got this piece, this ribbon piece going around. This is what the cradle will be attached to. And these here, they're just temporarily at that height until we can find the right height for Comey. They're just held in with clamps for the time being.
So next, I'm cutting this mat, which is the mats that he uses to lie on all the time, so we know this is a good material for him, to the width of the little rolly cart here. And now I just got to find where his legs are going to be and cut out the leg holes. Well, the poor little fella is good as gold. We're just doing a test fit. Sorry. We're just doing a test fit here now, and see, and he's so good. See where he needs to be. His feet are still buckled. He needs to stand up a little bit higher than that. Now he's on his hocks. He needs to stand up. He's curling his feet, so you need to come up like another little bit. A little bit lower. And straighten out your toes there, buddy. Okay. And straighten them out. Stand up. Perfect. Okay. We're going to need to cut some out of his crop area there. He's hung up.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is just test fitting, and then we'll see how it works
So you
out.
want the short end like that,
Yeah.
and you want to tip down forward a little bit. Something like that.
Yeah. Okay, so now we'll try a minute again. So we got another test fit here. Now we're gonna have to. How's your crop? How's your crop? Is it okay? You can get your feet down. You can get them down flat.
Yeah, I think that's good.
And we're gonna lower this so it's not in his face. And attach the food bowls. How's that? How's that? Do you think you can walk? You try? You just push him real slow from behind and see if he can move his legs. Real slow, like a half inch at a time. Good boy. Oh, a little bit further. Okay. Good boy. All right. So now it's just some final. He's going to lower these brackets, right?
Yep, front and back.
And then permanently attach this mat. I'm going to have to cut out a little butthole and maybe attach something for poop. And Comey's got a walker. Oop. Think you can do it? Are you happy or not? Okay, so test fitting is done. He's going to lower the front and the back bars here. We got a cutout for his bum. I'm just going to show you how he's lying down here now. So he has just sort of like splaying out his leg as he lies down. So we're just going to finish this up and see how he likes his new little walker. Okay, so we're ready for the final fitting. We're just going to leave it stapled on for a few days anyway, just to see if any adjustments need to be made. And I have to put together some type of a poop catcher on the back. Here it is. And now it's time to put Comey in and see how he feels about it. So here he is in his little sidekick. He doesn't know what to do with it yet, but it definitely will help air out his behind, because where he's been sitting down so long, he's got a little bit of poop and stuff on there, and it's a bit damp under there as well, so where he's lying down out in the grass. So yeah, let's see how he makes out in it. I'm gonna straighten out your feet there, buddy. Put your foot down and put your other foot down. There you go. So time will tell now if he'll get used to this and want to walk around in it or not. Gonna try to walk. What do you think, huh? Keep you up for a little while. So probably going to put him in it for an hour or so a day, just to see how he makes out with it. And then it'll let him air out from underneath. And if he likes it and wants to be in it more, well, maybe it'll help him learn to walk. At least it keeps his legs straight. And now we just got to figure out how to attach a feeder on, or maybe we'll just roll him into where his feed is. So that's the update on Comey and his new little walker that we can try to. He's been so good. Look how good he is. So so we'll see now if this helps him out any. And he's been eating and drinking and having a good time outside. I think he wants to go back out again. And I'll give you another little update. So that's how we made this chicken walker. And it looks like it's going to work out pretty good. You good?